Hello everyone, welcome you guys to my tutorial. My name is Hui, I'm from AS Levels, and in this video I will tell you guys about my chatbot, which is a joke teller one, and I will explain deeply about it and the process that how I made it. Let's go. First thing, I will run this first to see if it works properly or not. What is your name? My name is Hui, man. Hi Hui, I'm a joke teller chatbot where I'm doing attention more. So I only have 3 minutes for this, so I better go faster. Yes, please. We're funny, dirty, and smart jokes. If funny, please choose one. If smart, please choose 2, 3. 1 please, because I'm a funny person. After the code ends, I will explain the coding for you guys. Basically, I know all the answers, but like today I will pretend like I don't to see how it works. Think outside the box. Show me your Snickers. You guys get it, right? What kind of bees? Bumblebees. Come on, run quickly. They're boobies. It's kind of dirty, but it's still funny. What do you kill? This one is fire, but I just wasted it. I don't know. Jerry's cheese. It's funny. This one is funny. Yes, I'm stuck. It's nacho cheese. That's the end for today. What do you think of my jokes? I don't know. Amusing? Yes. Yay! I'm so glad. I guess. Thank you for spending me. Yes. Bye bye. Bye bye. Okay. Let's see inside. Okay. Here it is. Here's the cotton. There are just if statements, else, elif statements, and while statements that I use the most. Okay, so now we explain it. So in the first section over here, I use print statements to talk with their client to get their information. And in the next line, I use if and elif statement to ask if the client wants to continue or not. So if yes or Y or yes or capital yes or capital Y, I print let's go. Or else if they type no or capital no and or capital N, then I print this message. So this is the main program. This where I ask for the option numbers if they and I want them to choose from 1 to 2, 1 to 3, and over here I make a loop using while statement. So basically, if the client types for example, they doesn't type 1 or 2 or 3, then I will show this message. For example, they print number 4, right? So it's not in like the option that I want. So I will print it. Job number 4 is invalid. Please select 1 or 2 or 3. Yeah. And then I make the client choose again. Else if it is the input of the client is number 1, then I will show this one, the the funny section. Yes, if is equal to 1. Over here I made a hashtag to know where I am and to understand the flow of their chatbot. Yeah, I also like put some time sleep function over here to make a break between each line. Therefore, it creates like a feeling like a real human talking or a real person talking. I don't know. Yes, here it is. Yes. If the input of client is number 2, then show this here. They are just like if and elif statements. So if you guys understand the basic, you guys can do this quite easily. Yes. Here. So there's nothing special. I just repeat the statement for like different option, the job options. Invalid number. And over here, if they type not 1 or 2 or 3, I will also print that that's not in that type is not in range. Oh, so over here I made 2 lists to see this section over here. I ask for the client's feelings. So I made 2 lists. One is for like good expressions, one is for bad expressions, and this time I'm using in range, I don't know, function or statement, but it is if something in range of this, if the input of the client in range of one of the word in this list, then print this. Yes. Or if one of the input of client is in the bad list, then print this. Yes. It's kind of funny. Okay. That's all I want to show you guys.